children, today let's start with chapter number 4, more on keyboard and mouse. In this chapter, I will tell you about the keyboard and mouse. So what is keyboard? It is an input device. It has many keys. ये input device है, आप देखेंगे इसमें बहुत सारी keys होती है. With that, you can type letter, numbers and symbol. When the key is pressed, तो corresponding characters appear on the. जो भी आप की press करोगे, आपको वहाँ पे different characters दिखाएंगे. You have already studied the alphabetic keys, number keys and few special keys in the previous class. So we will study about few other special keys. जैसे आपकी enter की हो गई, space bar की हो गई, shift की हो गई, delete की, caps lock की and arrow. First is enter key. So when you are typing, enter key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the next step. जैसे आप there are two enter key in the keyboard, enter key को हम written key भी कहते हैं. So type apple, press the enter key, the cursor moves the beginning to the next step. Type mango. Then we have space bar की जो space देती है. It is the longest key on the keyboard. ये space देने के बीच में letters के, words के, number. Type रिया शर्मा and press the space bar की. आप देखेंगे रिया और शर्मा के बीच में space है. Now shift key, there are two shift key on the keyboard. It is used in combination with other. They also have symbols on them. To type these symbols, one has to press shift and number key over. Right? Press and hold the shift key. Press and hold the shift key and press number key to type symbol. You will press and hold the shift key and will press letter and you will type in capital. Now backspace. It works like an eraser. जो आपने लिखा है आप लेटर को साथ प्ले है दो बार लिख लिया आप इस backspace का यूज करोगे तो L1 L will be delete. Now delete key, erase the letter or number on the right side of the cursor. Type play, place the cursor before the letter. Now press the delete key, letter I will be in. Caps lock मतलब used to write letter in capital. Press it once to switch on. Is indicated by glowing light on the right top way. Press the caps lock key once and type orange, the letter will appear. Press it again to turn off the caps lock and you will type orange. Now arrow key, we have up, down, left, right. 4 arrow keys होती है. अब I will tell you about the key combination. Control plus C copy, Control plus F cut. Control plus V paste, Control plus Z undo and Control plus Y or Shift plus Z redo. Control plus A select all item, Control plus S save the correct. Control plus P का मतलब होता है print, F open the find function, Alt plus step space between the application, Alt plus F for close the current में. Window key plus L आप लॉक कर दोगे कंप्यूटर के विंडो को. Command plus C means cut copy paste. Command plus Z means undo or read. These keys जो होती है हम इनको combinations में use कर. Now let's study about the type of keyboard. We have standard membrane keyboard, mechanical, wireless. Next we have gaming keyboards, compact keyboards, backlit keyboard and programmable key. So mouse, it is an input device. It looks like a real mouse. It's small in size and it has tail which is attached to the seat. Mouse has either 2 or 3 buttons. Left button is used for left click and right button it is used for right click. It helps us to move the pointer, select item and draw a picture on the computer. Mouse pad जिसमें हम mouse को रखते हैं. Then mouse pointer, slant arrow of the computer screen, इसको mouse pointer कहते हैं. जैसे आप mouse को move करोगे तो वो pointers होता है ना वो भी move कर. Now mouse action. We perform different action. We have click, double click, right click. So we have click pressing the left mouse button 1. उसको हम click कहेंगे. आप generally press करते हो और release करते हो left mouse button. Double click pressing the left mouse button twice. जब आप quickly 2 बार press कर रहे हैं. Right click आप right वाले जो बटन है उसको एक बार क्लिक कर दें और showing the option. Drag and drop आप क्या करते हैं मूव कर रहे आइटम को एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस. Scrolling, a rubber wheel located with the left and right button in a scroll. Rolling the scroll wheel up and down is called scroll. Right? This is all about the keyboard and the mouse. Hope you understood. Let's do the exercise. First is fill in the blanks. Dash is the longest key. That is space bar. Next is arrow keys are used for moving the cursor. Dash key raise letter to the right side of the cursor. तो कौन सी की होती है? Delete. Dash key is used to write in capital letter, that is caps lock. Write C for true and F for false statement. A mouse is used to type letter, number and symbol. False. Keyboard का use कर सकते. Backspace. Key works like an eraser. It's true. We can drag and drop items using mouse. It's true. Caps lock is the longest key. False. Space bar की जो होती है वो आपकी क्या होती है? Longest key होती है keyboard. Now write, tick the correct option. Mouse is a desk device. Mouse कैसा device है? Point. How many shift keys are there on the keyboard? Press the left mouse button quickly. Twice quickly, that is double key. Which key has to move the cursor on the screen? Arrow key. Now descriptive question, how many alphabets are there on the keyboard? That is A to Z. Right? Name any three special keys. Enter key, spacebar key and backspace key. Which key has to move the cursor on the screen? That is your arrow key. Which key is used to move the cursor to a new line? That is enter. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. We have done with the exercise. That's all for today. Thanks.